Hi everyone, I am Engineer Arshad from D1 Architect and Engineer, the consultant for the Oceano project. The enabling work already completed by the enabling contractor, such as shoring wall, pile work, excavation, and dewatering. All of these activities were completed by the enabling contractor and handed over to the main contractor.
My name is Sunil Changavi. I am the CEO of the Luxe developers. We have now appointed China State Construction Engineering Corporation. They are one of the leading construction company in the world and in top 3 in the UAE itself. After doing the proper handover to the main contractors, the main contractor has moved in on the site.
Now main contractor is on board, he's starting his activities such as graniting work. Also we have profiling of the pile head, more chipping on the pile heads also, lining, PCC work. And after that we'll start with waterproofing activity on site, which allow us to also to go with to start the rock foundation.
I am very confident that we will complete the construction of Oceano building up to the same standard as what we have promised and within the scheduled time of completion, which is end of 2026, before the completion of Wing Resort.
Our next activities for the next 3 months will be for the rod foundation. We're focusing on the rod foundation, which consisting for the following activities like steel reinforcement, installation of steel reinforcement, bottom layer and top layer, as well as to complete the dead shutter for the pile cap.